Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the critical facts. Open Event Viewer and filter for Event ID 7023 to capture the service name, timestamp, and error text. With that info, elevate to an Administrative PowerShell or CMD and run SC query, service name, to see current state. Once you have the service details, list dependent services and recent configuration changes. Make sure to note any recent updates or permission edits, because they often change service behavior and point to the root cause. Next, inspect the service configuration. Open services or use SCQC service name to confirm the binary path, start type, and account. Check that the executable exists, has correct permissions, and matches expected checksums. If corrupt, replace from a known good source. Then confirm the service account exists, password is valid, and has log on as a service right. Finally, review registry keys and dependent DLLs. Missing or mismatched libraries commonly trigger the 7023 error. To resolve, repair, or replace the service binary, reset the service account credentials, and ensure proper permissions, then attempt a controlled restart. Once done, run sfc/scano and dism to fix system file issues and recheck Event Viewer for fresh 7023 entries. If the service still fails, enable verbose or debug logging for that service and capture a process crash dump. This provides the why. One troubleshooting tip. If restart repeatedly fails, try creating a temporary test account with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.